Hey, this is Al Fix It. Oops, nope, this is not Al Fix It. That's my other channel. This is the Blue Hippo channel, Blue Hippo H2O. And here's Blue. So, Blue has convinced me that we need to show you how to play the ukulele. Here, you can hold on to my hat here for now. Yeah, it looks good, man. All right. So, let me show you how to get started with the ukulele. First of all, of course, there's different sizes of ukuleles and all that. This one right here is a concert ukulele. And this one is a tenor ukulele, just slightly larger. And there's all different sizes. So, if you went to Hawaii and picked up an ukulele, chances are you probably got one of those really tiny ones, the soprano ones, and that's fine. You can play them just the same as this. So, one of the first things you got to do is be able to tune this thing. So there's tuners like right here. There's little tuners. There's some little tuners that you can clip on here, but you got to know what the names of the strings are so that you can get in the ballpark to make your tuner work. And I use a tuner on my phone, and I'll show you what I use because this is really cool. I've been using this app for years, and it's just this one. It's called G Strings. So when I click on it, it gives me a tuner right there, ready to go. See, there's my G, and it's right up there, right in tune. So then you go to this one. There's a C. Yeah, we're kind of in tune already. There's the E. The A. So that's how that works, but you know, if it's down here, you got to tighten up the string. If it's, yeah, it's over here, you got to loosen the string. So yeah, it's like a really nice app on the phone, and it's free, or it was when I signed up with it years ago. So anyway, then back to names of the strings. So as you hold the ukulele like this higher string closer to me, that is where I start with, and I like to memorize some kind of little saying. That helps me. You can do it however you want, but go crazy every afternoon. Good children eat apples. You know, whatever you want to use. I kind of like the go crazy every afternoon thing. So this string right here is the go, G for go, crazy, C, go crazy, E for every, and then A for afternoon, go crazy every afternoon. All right. You know, you're in the ballpark if you remember the old thing that says, my dog has fleas. Yeah. Yeah, so that's how we get started. We got to have our ukulele out there and get it tuned up before we can do anything. But now I'm going to show you how to quick start. This is a real easy quick start, and this is much easier than learning the guitar. And we're going to get this cranking right now with the first chord. Take this finger right here. Yeah, take your ring finger. Now these things are called frets. So just go up to the 1, 2, 3. That third fret, that last string down here, yeah, hold that down right there. Now you got a C chord. La 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 la. I'll tell you what. Here's the way to start figuring out how your voice can go with that chord. Start going like all different kind of notes and everything, and you'll find pretty soon what sounds good with this. Got la 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 la. Oop, I think I found one. La la. If you found one, then the octave is going to do just as good. La 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 la. Yeah, I think I'm on the key of C. Now here's another way. you go to the second string down, away from your face, pluck that one, match your voice to it. La 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 la. Well, if you can match to that string, that chord on the 1, 2, 3rd fret, just hold that down. La, it's the same. La, la 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 la. There you go. Now, here's your first song. Ready? A 1-chord song. Can you believe how easy I'm going to start you off with getting you going? Watch. 1, 2, 3, the 3rd fret. Hold down that string. Now go to that sound of that string. La. You got it? La 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 la. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. See, I told you, you have a song going in no time. You know, it's easiest to, or it's hardest to get started. You know, most people, they don't last very long learning the guitar because they don't have calluses on their fingers and their fingers start hurting. Well, guess what? The ukulele is much easier to play than a guitar. You don't have to hurt your fingers too badly. You could play this thing for a long time before your fingers get too sore. So that's the first song, 1-chord song. Wait till we get a 2-chord song. We'll get a couple of those. Then we'll go to a 3-chord song. Well, actually, once you get to 3 chords, you learn 3 chords on this, you can play thousands of songs. It's so awesome. And sing along. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And strumming? Well, you can strum with your thumbs. La, la, la. Or I like to do this. Sometimes I do up and down, but row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yeah, there's some other chords that we could be playing along with that, but it works okay with just 1 chord, so keep it simple and keep it easy for your very first song. All right, man. What do you think, Blue? Did we do okay? See ya on the next one.